Hello everyone, today we will show you our company's latest 100 watts battery pulse laser cleaning machine. This product is light and easy to carry, suitable for the surface cleaning in various industrial occasions. This device is equipped with a high-capacity lithium battery that can work continuously for 1.5 hours, meeting outdoor cleaning use. The product adopts ergonomic design. The laser cleaning head is light and portable. And the backpack part is reasonably designed. Even if you work for a long time, you will not feel tired. The operation is simple and ensures the comfort of the operator. The operator can carry this machine on his back. Whether it's ground operation or area operation, equipment can be quickly used. We can see these contaminants are difficult to deal with by traditional cleaning methods, but using our laser cleaning machine will make this progress simple and effective. By comparing the before and after cleaning, we can see the huge difference that laser cleaning brings. Traditional methods cannot achieve such fast and efficient results. In summary, this 100 watts battery backpack laser cleaning machine is highly efficient while ensuring portability and ease of use. It's your best industrial cleaning assistant.